Yo, what's up, my crazy people? It's your boy Jesse, your American guy living in the Philippines. And today, I'm sharing the top green flags that show a Filipina is truly into you. Forget red flags. These are the signs you want to see if you're dating or just curious about love in the Philippines. This isn't a serious dating manual, just the cheat sheet I wish I had when I started dating my fiancée. We're diving into the little things, the cultural quirks, and the moments that make you realize, oh, this is real. From food to family to your worst jokes, I'll break down the top 10 green flags you can't ignore. If she's packed you Baon, you're already winning. So grab your snacks and let's get started. By the end, you'll be a pro at spotting these green flags from a mile away. Let's start with the ultimate green flag. She packs you Baon. Baon isn't just a packed meal, it's a love language in Tupperware. She probably woke up at 5 a.m. to cook your favorite adobo, rice, and maybe a side of lumpia. The Baon is a strategic masterpiece. Main course, extra rice, a snack, sometimes even a handwritten note. When your co-workers see you with homemade sinigang, they know you're taken and cared for. It's her way of saying you're important, and you're becoming part of her world. That's green flag number 1. Green flag number 2. She introduces you to her family. In the Philippines, family means everyone. Parents, siblings, titos, titas, lolo, lola, and a sea of cousins. If you're suddenly at a family reunion being fed and asked about marriage, congrats, you've been unofficially adopted. Family is the cornerstone of Filipino culture. If she brings you in, she sees a future with you. If you get the invite, you're in. Green flag number 3. She saves you the last piece of food. In the Philippines, the last piece is sacred. No one wants to be the greedy one who takes it. So when she puts that last piece of lechon or crispy pata on your plate, she's breaking a cultural rule for you. It's a profound act of love, her way of saying you're my priority. I'll never forget the first time my fiancé did this. The table went silent, then everyone smiled. It was a statement. She's past impressing you with politeness, she's in the I'll take care of you phase. This is by far the biggest reason I love being with a Filipina. She's putting your happiness above social customs. It's her way of pampering you and showing you're special. She's not just sharing food, she's sharing her culture and breaking the rules for you. Next time you get the last piece, don't just eat it. Recognize the moment. Smile, make eye contact, and know you've just witnessed a major green flag. She didn't just give you food, she gave you a piece of her heart. In Filipino culture, that's huge. So if you get the last piece, you're more than just a guest. You're family. That's a green flag you can't miss. Cherish it. Green flag number 4, she teaches you Tagalog, especially the slang. When she's teaching you words like charit, lodi, and petmalu, you know you're in the club. She wants you to get the inside jokes, the memes, and the little nuances of daily life. It's a sign she wants you to feel at home in her world. She's patient, correcting your pronunciation, laughing with you, and celebrating when you finally get it right. She'll teach you survival phrases, pabilipo, makanopo, parapo, so you can navigate daily life. It's her way of saying, I want you to be comfortable here. The slang is the best part. Charit for just kidding, lodi for idle. Learning these words makes you feel like an honorary local. If she's your personal language coach, she's invested in you. Laugh at your mistakes, try the words, and embrace the process. Her patience and willingness to teach is a massive green flag. It means she wants to build a world where you both feel understood. That's love, charit. But seriously. Green flag number 5. She laughs at your corny jokes. I'm talking about the bad puns, the dad jokes. If she genuinely laughs, you've found a gem. It's not about her sense of humor, it's about her sense of you. She loves seeing you happy, even if your jokes are terrible. She's your number 1 fan, your personal laugh track. When you're comfortable enough to let your weirdest jokes slip and she's still laughing, that's real connection. Filipinas are trained by Tito jokes, so your puns are nothing new. She's seen the real dorky you and she's not running away. In fact, she's asking for more. Her laughter is a green flag, a sign of acceptance and support. Don't be afraid to let your freak flag fly. If she laughs at your scarecrow joke, you're golden. She's not just your girlfriend, she's your audience and supporter. Even when you're not funny, she's there, smiling. That's love. Green flag number 6. She takes you to the palenque and shows you how it's done. The local market is chaos. loud, crowded, and full of amazing smells. If she confidently guides you through, she's a superhero. She knows the best vendors, how to pick the freshest fish, and how to haggle like a pro. Watching her negotiate is like watching an artist at work. She doesn't just do it for you, she teaches you. See this mango? It should be soft here. Always ask for a little extra. She's empowering you to survive and thrive in her world. She's proud to share her culture, even the messy parts. If she invites you to the palenque, say yes. Wear closed-toe shoes and bring an open mind. Appreciate her skill and confidence. She's not just buying groceries, she's building a life with you. One perfectly ripe tomato at a time. Her ability to turn chaos into adventure is a green flag. She's making you part of her daily life. Green flag number 7, she remembers your favorite street food and your exact order. Whether it's Kwek-Kwek, fish balls, or banana Q, she knows what makes you happy. It's more than memory, it's attention to detail. She's saying, I notice what you like, I care about your little joys. The first time my fiancée handed me Kwek-Kwek with my weirdly specific sauce, I was floored. She'd been paying attention all along. This goes beyond food, it's about remembering your favorite drink, your snack, or that you hate onions in your sisig. These small gestures build the foundation of a strong partnership. When she brings home your favorite snack just because it's a powerful message, you were on my mind. Pay attention to these little acts. They're green flags. She's not just feeding your stomach, she's feeding your soul. She's the keeper of your snack preferences. That's a beautiful thing. Green flag number 8, she's patient with your culture shock moments. She doesn't get annoyed when you mess up. She laughs with you, explains, and acts as your cultural cushion. Culture shock is real, and her patience is a superpower. I've made plenty of mistakes, like paying the jeepney driver directly or being confused by sweet spaghetti. Her reaction? Calm, kind, and always ready to explain. She makes you feel safe to make mistakes. She chose to be with someone from a different culture, and she embraces the awkward moments. My first encounter with the Tabo was a disaster, but she patiently explained it all. She turns panic into a funny, educational experience. If she stands by you, explains things without making you feel dumb, and laughs about it later, you've hit the jackpot. Her patience is a green flag that says, I've got your back, even when you have no idea what you're doing. That's partnership. Green flag number 9, she includes you in family karaoke and cheers for you, even if you sound terrible. Karaoke is a national pastime here, and if she hands you the mic, it's a rite of passage. She's not hiding you, she's putting you center stage. Her support is everything. She'll sing along, clap, and tell everyone you're great, even if the machine disagrees. My first karaoke was a disaster, but my fiancée was right there, cheering me on. I was singing Because I Got High and Baby Shark terribly, but there she was, happy to see me happy. She doesn't care if you're perfect. She just wants you to join in and have fun. She's your duet partner for life, on and off the stage. When the mic comes your way, take it. Enthusiasm matters more than talent. The family isn't judging your voice. They're judging your willingness to join the fun. If she's there, recording and high-fiving you, you're holding a green flag that sings. She's proud of you for trying. That's what matters. Karaoke is love, Filipino style. The final and most important green flag. She supports your dreams, even the weird ones. This goes beyond being a supportive partner. It's about believing in you, no matter how strange your goals. Whether you want to start a business or review every lechon in the Philippines, she's on board. She loves you for your quirky, ambitious self, not just a version that fits a mold. When I told my fiancé I wanted to start this YouTube channel, she said, "That's a great idea. I'll help you film." She became my creative partner, not just my supporter. Her belief in you is priceless. She sees your potential, even when you don't. She pushes you to be better, to try new things, and to step outside your comfort zone. She's your coach, your advocate, and your biggest fan. If you have a dream, share it with her. Her reaction will tell you everything. If she listens, gets excited, and helps you brainstorm, you found a life partner. Her belief is the ultimate green flag. With her by your side, you can do anything, even start that lechon review channel. The world needs it. That's my top 10 Filipina green flags. Signs you've found someone truly special. Every relationship is different, but these little things build a big, beautiful picture of love here in the Philippines. Love isn't always about grand gestures. Sometimes it's in the details, like knowing your Kwek-Kwek order or laughing at your jokes. What do you think? Did I miss any? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your stories and learning from your experiences. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more adventures. As always, friends, know that you are valuable and that you matter. This is Jesse signing off. See you next time. God bless and peace.